Today's video, I have a surprise for you. So we're gonna cover something very important, is how to create a proposal using high-level documents and templates, and a very easy way to write the proposal using the sales call transcript, so you never have to write it again. So here's what we're gonna do. Every single sales call that we do is recorded on this tool called Fathom. So Fathom is a tool that records your calls, generates a transcript, and on top of that can generate multiple types of summary. For example, we can do a sales summary, we can do a chronological summary, we can do a general summary, and there's other types of summaries that we can do. So here's what's gonna happen. Okay, after the call finishes, we have in ChatGPT a sales proposal generator. So here's the way it works. If you see here in my GPT, I have a custom GPT for sales proposal, which based on the following call transcript and call summary, we're gonna generate a comprehensive sales proposal. Now the proposal needs to have these sections: prospect information, first name, last name, email, phone number, executive summary, needs and objectives, proposed solutions, scope of work, tech stack, time frame, pricing and payment terms, and the call transcript is right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy and paste our sales call transcript from the Fathom. So we copy the transcript here. I already did it, and I already pasted it here. So I've already copy and pasted the transcript, and then the sales proposal generator is gonna create me the information that I need. Okay, executive summary, needs and objectives, proposed solution, scope of work, tech stack, time frame, pricing and payment terms. Then what I'm gonna do after this is I'm gonna go to my left bar and go to the custom menus, and I have a custom menu called the proposal form. So the proposal form is a form that I've created in my GHL account. And in this video, I'm not gonna explain how to create a form because that's a topic for a separate discussion, complete separate discussion. But what I wanna cover is in this form, I'm gonna fill it out with the name of the client. So just for now, I'm not gonna show it right now, but I'm gonna start filling out everything that it tells me here. For example, the scope of work, I'm gonna fill it out here. Propose solutions, I'm gonna copy and paste it, just basically copy and paste it. Needs and objectives, it's right here. So anyway, I'm gonna fill everything, and at the very end, I'm gonna click on submit. Okay, anyways, I fill out everything, and then I'm gonna click on submit. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna show you how this full thing works. So in the settings, the first thing I've created for this automation to happen is I have custom fields for all of those things, and I have a folder dedicated for proposals. So all these fields are here. Then what I have is I have in my payments, documents, and contracts, I have a template that is dedicated to this. I'm gonna show you how this works. So this template over here, I have a new proposal template that is dedicated to this, ChatGPT sales proposal generator format. So all these custom fields, when I fill out the form, are gonna be populated. All these custom fields are gonna be populated. So I'm gonna show you how this automation works. The way it works is I have a workflow created for proposal form field. So I'm gonna show it right now here. So whenever this form, the proposal form, has been filled, then we're gonna add a tag that is proposal form filled, and we're gonna send the document and contract. So we're gonna send it from my user. We're gonna use the template new proposal, and then sending mode is gonna be sent directly, and the channel is gonna be via email. So you can see in the contact page of this contact in the conversation that our proposal has been sent. And when I click on it and I check the email of this proposal, I can see that in fact all the fields have been auto-populated. So in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to create a whole proposal system. So after you finish a call that is recorded on Fathom, you or your VA can just copy the transcript, run it through the custom GPT, and get this done very quickly. I hope this video was helpful. If you want more tips, insider tricks, and hacks on using HighLevel and systems, I do have a community called the Automation School, which you can access, and it includes 2 support calls per week, plus access to all my automation courses on different topics: email and SMS deliverability, workflows, troubleshooting, how to build client projects, voice AI, conversation AI. All my free and paid masterclasses are recorded. And on top of that, you can ask unlimited Q&A, that's unlimited questions and answers in the community. So if that's something you're interested in, you can sign up with me under the unlimited plan or above. If you sign up under me with my affiliate link to HighLevel through the unlimited plan or above, you get access to this community at no cost. Now, if you're already on the pro plan, or for some reason you do not want to be my affiliate, you can also join the community for $97 a month. And I'm putting all those links in the description of this video.